Welcome to a night in Manila, Philippines. I have just landed. Here we are at Manila Airport. Seattle's Best Coffee is here. Shake Shack is here. Chat Me is here. Jollibee is here. Chow King is here. The hotel I stayed at on a small street in the middle of Manila. You can pause the video here if you want to look at individual shops, just having it run by quickly. I'm in a taxi now heading to a mall. All the little sorry stores, a streamer's cafe. The pharmacy. The no parking sign for the driveway. Barbershop. 7-Eleven. I guess an apartment complex. There's some jeepneys. Pause to see the jeepney signs. Heading to the Mall of Asia. Another jeepney. Most people in the Philippines have scooters. And there was one of the newer buses. You'll see roads like this and also narrow one-lane roads. The disparity between the rich and the poor is huge in the Philippines. Office complexes. Now we're in the area where the Mall of Asia is, where they've built it up into a commercial project. Okay, we're at the Mall of Asia, which is an SM Mall. Inside the Mall of Asia, heading to the French Baker, one of my favorite shops. I love the bread they make. It is so good. Okay, a merry-go-round. Cultura. Candy. Ice skating rink. There's the sign for it, peso 200. IKEA in the Mall of Asia. IKEA in the Mall of Asia. Up the escalator. They do have a Swedish cafe. There it is on the right side. This is where the exit of the store is. Where you can pack your stuff up in paper. Couches, chairs, tables. It's all here. Everything that an IKEA warehouse would normally have, it's in the Philippines. But at import prices. The IKEA cafeteria or cafe. Long line to eat here. The tray carts, very important. Amazing food in the Philippines here at the IKEA cafe. This IKEA cafe in this location is one of the largest ones I've seen after visiting a couple of other locations in the US. The Merriam-Webster bookstore. Pio D. Pillar, Word and Life Publications. The Don Bosco Technical Institute. The basketball court, which I believe is part of Don Bosco. And of course the parish, the St. John Bosco. The hardware store. A burned out sorry store, I guess. Another sorry store. 2 wild dogs. A golf cart with a cover. A rain cover. Another sorry store.
Water? Water? Yeah.
Everything but water. Unless that was the water right up front. No one saw it though.
Don't have water. Oh, we got the water. Rice. The water.
Another sorry store.
We got that. But no water. No water.
There we go. The meat on the countertop and vegetables.
Slow down. Ooh, I don't need that.
Other countries, they put the meat in the refrigerator. Here, they kill it, slaughter it fresh, put it out there with the fans to keep the bugs off.
What do you got that I need? Don't see it. And everything else I'm looking for?
Back at the airport. Tim Horton and McDonald's. Inside the departure terminal. Waiting to get my boarding pass and go to the gates. Out to the gates. Here's the walking distances. And that's it.